So in this video, let's talk about some of the key features of security in the dotnet framework. And so security in the dotnet framework is what's known as a two-tiered security model. So meaning there's two separate parts to it. And the reason being is that dotnet employs what's known as role-based and code-based security. dotnet also uses managed code. And what that means is that code runs in a managed execution environment. So when the code is compiled into, say, the specific machine language, it's checked for any security or potential security issues. It uses a common set of classes from the dotnet framework. And again, it's run typically in its own sandbox, if you will. Now, as far as security benefits of the dotnet framework, we have code verification, meaning that code is checked. There's also code access security. There's integrity checking that's employed, as well as file and metadata verification. So these are benefits that are all built into the framework. And lastly, type-safe code is also a key feature and benefit of the dotnet framework. Now, role-based security, well, what is it? Well, it allows or disallows access based on user identity or the group that the user belongs to. So the way that it works is we have the user, we check to see who the user is, so we authorize them. Then we look at what can the user do. So, do they have access to specific web pages, specific operations? Can they interact with the business logic or the back ends of an application? Is there specific data access they have or can't access? And information about that user is stored in the user store. And this can be, Active Directory, SQL Server, or SAM. So we authorize user action in applications. And it also works in conjunction with principal and identity objects. Now, code access security is where we give access based on the code. So we have what is the code? So the code is run through evidence-based authorization. And based on that evidence, we give permissions to the code so it can perform specific actions or cannot perform specific actions. So, can it access things like secure resources? Can it perform privileged operations, make changes to the file system, data, and so on? And this is enforced through a code access security policy. So we limit what the code can access, whether it's files, directories, settings, resources, and so on. And we can use this in conjunction with user-based security.